Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Teazers Ribbed Vibrating Egg. So let's get started. So this is the vibrating egg itself. As you can see, it has a very unusual design. It features a ribbed bent shaft and it also has nubs on either side at the top to provide wonderful stimulation during use. This egg is perfect for both vaginal and clitoral stimulation. It's also splash proof but not completely waterproof, rechargeable and easy to operate using the button just here. It comes equipped with 10 vibration settings. To turn on, press and hold 3 seconds and a blue light will appear. Press once more and the vibrations begin. To change between the settings, press the same button and decide which vibration setting is for you. To use the remote control, press and hold on the bottom button. There should be a change in vibration and you can now use the remote. You can use the plus button and the minus to determine which vibration settings you want. You can even give it to your partner who can be in control and make it even more fun for your session. To turn off, press and hold down on the bottom button and the vibrations will stop altogether. To turn off the egg itself, press and hold down until the blue light no longer flashes. And it's now off. The material is made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel really comfortable during use. Now, the remote has a range of 20 meters, and you can also use this vibrating egg in combination with a water-based lubricant, which provides extra comfort during use. Make sure to charge after every use. The charging point is located at the end of the egg just here. Just simply unscrew the cap and using the USB charging cable provided, slot it through like so and it will charge for you. Once you finish charging, simply screw the cap back on and it's ready to use again next time. Make sure to clean the egg after every use, and we recommend using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Teazers Ribbed Vibrating Egg. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.